Hi everybody, my name is Josepha from Climate Choice and I'm super happy to share with you today some insights from key industry leaders in the field of Scope 3 decarbonization.
I think the biggest opportunity is in this structured approach, right? So one of the challenges that we all have, and I come from a procurement function, so we work with companies every day trying to solve these issues. They don't have enough people, they don't have enough resources to really work on this. So having tools readily available that can kind of provide you a standardized way of action is going to help. So what I think really the big opportunity for AI and other technologies is use this data and come up with standardized actions and processes to guide your suppliers, for example. So if we're talking about maturity levels when it comes to decarbonization, if you're at a beginner level and you understand that based on your data points, how do you use your software, how do you use technology to provide a pathway for companies to grow within this decarbonization path and to develop themselves. And the more that you can basically help them do that on their own, the less resources you need for helping this way. If we talk about practical advice, I think the main point is to get started to begin with, okay, number one, and then don't overburden yourself. If you look at the Pareto principle, it's pretty simple. 80% of your emissions probably come from less than 20% of your suppliers. So really focus on the big polluters, focus on the ones that bring big impact, and then really start building this bridge between procurement and sustainability experts. I think also from a meeting or a summit like that we had here today, you can see there's still a lot of procurement professionals, there's a lot of sustainability professionals, and you see that there is still a gap in their understanding and their working. And I think process and data are going to be the languages that unite the functions of procurement and sustainability and together help them make the right decisions. So when you look for easy ways, start at the top, start with the big ones, and really start working on transforming your processes.
What are you most excited about to work on decarbonization of Scope 3?
My personal highlight also from this is the collaboration between procurement and sustainability, like I just said. Sustainability and procurement together form a very powerful alliance to create impact in daily decisions. If you think about the budgets, the spend that companies have, and if you really transform that into a buying decision for good, for climate, for sustainability, there's a huge amount of impact that we can create. And it's really these young sustainability professionals that are bringing in the knowledge, and it's the procurement function that can bring out the strategy and make it work. So giving them a language to speak in order to understand each other is going to be very powerful. And I think that's what makes me work in procurement and sustainability. And that's why I think is the biggest impact on what we can do here.